Alright y'all, so I'm back with another review and unboxing. I already unboxed 2 wigs tonight. If you're watching this video, that review and unboxing should be up by now, and I'll link them right here for y'all to watch. So alright, so let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. So y'all, this unit is from Nadula. Okay, another Amazon wig company that we love. This unit is from Nadula on Amazon. So let's get into the details of this wig. If I can get this open. Don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep it moving. I love that little quote. That is too cute. And this unit right here is looking very much long. I don't even remember what this is, y'all. Okay, let's first get into the goodies before we get into the wig. So this is the little goodie bag that it comes with, and inside we have HD wig caps. And we have some false nails. Okay, I'm not quite sure if this is my kind of nail, but I mean, it might be cute. These might be cute. I might like cut them down a little bit, but like they're kind of cute. And then we also have a Nadula melting band. All right, and as far as this unit goes, this is a 24-inch Water Wave 13x4 transparent lace wig. Okay, so Water Wave and 24 inches, and this is like a glueless wig, because I see the tape in here where it's supposed to be glueless, and the band to put in the back of the wig to tighten it to your head. So let's go ahead and take this wig out this bag. This is what the little tape pieces look like, the band to put in the back of the wig. And here is the unit. I can tell this is going to be a nice unit, y'all. Because first of all, this is looking longer than 24 inches. Ooh, and it's looking bleached very nicely. Plucked very nicely. And the lace is also pre-cut as well. And they already got the tape inside the wig for you. So this is really going to be a really quick and easy install. Yeah, I just love me a wig. Like, I can't lie. Alright, so this is what it's looking like, y'all. Let me show y'all how nicely bleached this is. To me, that's not giving scalp. Definitely giving like that is coming out your scalp. And it's plucked pretty nicely as well. It looks really natural all around. The knots in the front could be bleached a little bit more, like right in the front, but I mean, it's all good because like from right here you can't really notice that. So that's what the lace is looking like, y'all. All we're really gonna have to do is put a little bit of makeup on this lace, and that's really it. And then this is what the curl pattern is looking like. This is Water Wave, so I'm expecting that once I wet this, it'll look really pretty. It's pretty now. The curl pattern is pretty right now, but once we wet it, I just know it's gonna be giving like bow. And yeah, y'all, that is this unit. So stay tuned for the install and final review, BRB. Also, if I didn't mention, this wig that I have on right now is also an Amazon wig. This is from a brand called xoxo Beauty on Amazon. It's not like a big wig brand like Nadula and Eunice, but this is an Amazon wig, and this wig is super affordable, super full, 34 inches. Like 34 inches is crazy on Amazon. 13x4. This is just the perfect summer wig, and I'll be wearing this wig all summer. So click the link down below in my description to shop my Amazon storefront for this wig. 34 inches Water Wave from xoxo Beauty. Alright, y'all, so before I install this wig, I'm just taking my wax stick and my hot comb and kind of just flattening out this wig. I usually do this on my head, but I did it on the mannequin this time. This is like really simple and easy to do. Like, it's just like a matter of time. Like, it just takes a little bit of time, but you just got to be patient when you're installing wigs. You don't want to rush on it and, you know, have your wig looking busted. You want to take your time, get your wig flat, sleek, smooth. And look how good this looks. Yeah, I just went in sections and hot combed that out really good. My hot comb is steam hot. As y'all can see the steam coming off. And look what it's giving. It's giving like, this is like scalp. Look how good this looks. They plucked that really good. I didn't pluck anything, y'all. I didn't bleach nothing. I didn't cut anything. All I did was hot comb, and this is the results, y'all. Look at this. Once I did both sides, you can see the difference from the beginning till now. Literally giving scalp. Like, they really did a really good job with this. All right, y'all, so let's jump right into this install. As y'all seen in the previous clips, all I did was hot comb this wig. That's literally it. I didn't bleach nothing, I didn't pluck nothing, I didn't cut nothing, I didn't cut no lace. It just looks so good, just like the way it is, like bomb, like actually bomb. So all I'm gonna do is put a little bit of makeup on this lace to help this melt into my skin, and I'm not even gonna do no baby hairs. I just love the way this hairline looks, so sleek and natural, and I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and we just gonna install it, wet it, brush through the curls, let it dry, and let it be what it is, you know. So let me go ahead and put some makeup on this lace. Taking my makeup and just dabbing it on here. All right, so let's go ahead and throw this on now. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look how, no, it's looking too good already. Because we already hot combed it off camera, it's already laying nice and flat. Okay, like bomb. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more makeup on this lace because you can clearly see that lace, and we not doing that today. Any day, we not doing that any day. All right, so I'm gonna take like a really dark shade on my Black Radiance contour palettes, my True Complexion Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark, and I'm gonna take the contour shade and put that on there. Let's see what that does. All right, so for comparison, I'm gonna do this side and then leave that side the way it is so we can see if it's actually making a difference. Like, is the lace melting or not? Hold on. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some on this side. This hair looks so pretty like this, honestly. Even just like this, it looks pretty. Like without me wetting it or anything yet and like combing through it and brushing through it. The curl pattern on here already comes like really pretty. Look how pretty this is. Like, be so for real. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some alcohol and a cotton round and clean my hairline so that we can stick this tape on, so that this can be a glueless, I'm saying so it can be a glueless install, but I'm probably going to end up gluing this down anyways, just because that's how I like my wigs to look. Like, I like them to look very, very, very melted. Not to say that you can't get that melted look without gluing it down, but you know, I prefer just to glue my wigs on. All right. I'm drinking my protein shake, y'all, because I actually just came from the gym like an hour ago, and today was legs. Actually, it was more specifically, it was quads and glutes and cardio. So, you know, we got to get them gains. We got to get our protein. I have my protein before my workout and after, because I don't play. Once I be going that hard in the gym, I'm not gonna throw in my gains by not getting enough protein for the day. So one thing about me, I'm gonna have me a protein shake or a protein bar like that. And literally all this is water and a protein powder, so it's low calorie. It's just straight protein, straight fuel. Okay, summer's around the corner, you know. It's grind time, no flossing. And I kind of like just having my protein with water, like a cup of water, and that's it, because for one, it's helping me get my water for the day, because a lot of times we be dehydrated from not drinking enough water. Like, I don't think we actually realize how much water we should be drinking every day. So having my water and then having like just like a low calorie protein powder that doesn't have too many like carbs and calories, but it's just like straight protein, I just feel like that's just a recipe for gains, fat loss and muscle growth, you know, you feel me? But yeah, so let's go ahead. I was waiting for my hairline to dry, so I just had to yap a little bit, but now that it's dry, let's pull this forward, and then let's go ahead and take this down over here. You know, we might not have to glue nothing. Let's see. It's like, it's fitting pretty snug, like it's pretty tight to my head. So I feel like if I tape this like good enough, then we're not gonna have to use no glue, because like this wig is stuck. All right, so let's take this side off first. And let me tell you something about this tape here. Yeah, this tape is strong, babe, because when I be trying to take off these wigs with this tape, I'm not gonna lie, the tape be sticking. Like, You talking about something that's secure? This is some different kind of tape they got right here. All right, same thing over here now. That's literally glueless, like, mwah, no glue. All right, so now what I'm going to do is just part this down the middle and pin this side up for now and saturate this hair really good and brush through it and really define these curls and get them nice and juicy and defined. I don't know. Water Wave lately just really been hitting, y'all. Like, I don't know if they did something different to the Water Wave formula or what, but the Water Wave hair really been like giving it to me. Like, the wig I literally just took off that I wore to the gym today and everything was a Water Wave wig from a different hair company. And like the curls on that wig are just so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. And like, I just guess in the past, my experiences with Water Wave were very like, not bad, but the hair could have been like more, I don't know, more curly. Like, I like hair that actually looks like curly, but sometimes like I think a few Water Wave wigs I got in the past looked more like wavy and like just kind of like the ends would be kind of straight and it just looked kind of like, I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, but you know, it just wasn't really giving me, you know, what I needed. But these Water Wave wigs lately have been looking very good, like wigs that I would buy with my own money, and I'm serious about that. So we finna see how this hair dries. Now if this hair dries pretty, you know I've been telling y'all that I'm getting ready to sell a lot of my units, but if this just turns out so pretty like these other Water Wave wigs I have, I don't know, maybe I will sell this one, maybe not. That's all I'm cutting. I didn't actually mean to cut off that much, but anyway, it'll be really cute once it dries. It'll be nice and clean at the bottom. And one thing I do to my curls to really help ensure that we're getting the best, prettiest curl pattern possible is really scrunch my hair like really good. And this does make a difference. Like if the curls are being like really weighed down, or say for instance your hair was wet and you were like laying on it, it's gonna dry ugly. It's gonna dry like straight and you know it's gonna look like you were laying on it. But if you like scrunch the hair up like this and really scrunch the curls so they're not just being weighed down by the water, babes, the curls turn out so pretty every time. I'm telling you, scrunch your hair. Like you're just really giving the curls that little extra like push to like really curl up. And like you can already see the difference from before I started scrunching versus now. I'm gonna insert a clip right here from before I started scrunching versus how the curls look now. Yeah, I know. I just be trying to put y'all on, like we could all be baddies, you know? Ooh, yeah, this is one of them ones, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be one of the ones. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna dry real cute. Y'all, the Amazon wigs have really just been on point lately. Like, I can't make this up. All the Amazon wigs been hitting. Look how pretty this is. Y'all, summer is around the corner. You mean to tell me we finna be outside looking this good this summer? Yeah. It's about to get real dangerous outside because we ain't got no business going outside looking this good. Actually, we got all the business going outside looking this good. Yeah. All right, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this mousse and put this on the top of my head to help it to lay flat, okay? Look how freaking good that looks. Look what that mousse makeup do. Because what? Oh yeah. This about to dry so pretty. Like what? I'm gonna take this here and kind of just spray it to help melt everything. Kind of just cutting like a little side piece over here. Uh-oh. Oh my god, y'all. This thing makes me so mad because why is it that sharp? I did not mean to cut it that short. Like, this thing is actually crazy sharp. Anyways, I kind of just like to push this back. Do it like that. Bomb. All right, so I'm gonna do my makeup. All right, so I'm going to do my makeup and let this hair dry fully. And let me kind of clean up this where it's dripping down my forehead. This is melting so nicely, y'all. Like, what? No glue. All right, but I'm gonna let this dry fully and do my makeup and then come back with the final looks and show y'all this beautiful texture, this beautiful hair dried. So don't go nowhere. BRB. So the hair is still drying, y'all, but I'm just kind of like laying down. I don't even cut no edges. I'm just kind of like swooping the hair so that it looks like, I don't know, I'm just trying to make it look very natural. Y'all seen where I cut the sideburns a little short, and now I'm just kind of laying them and like letting them hang. And this is like really cute. So I'm gonna do the same thing I kind of did over here to this side now with my mousse and my Fantasia holding spray. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to let the hair dry, and then I'll be back once the hair is fully dry. Alright, y'all, so the hair is pretty much done drying, and this is how the curl pattern turned out. This curl pattern is so freaking pretty to me. I love the way the ends aren't like looking straight and like stringy, and how they're actually curling up, looking full, and they have a curl pattern at the end. And I just love the texture of this hair, y'all. I don't really do baby hairs, but what I did do was kind of like sleek down the adult hairs, I guess. Like, you know, y'all can kind of see what I did. Like, I kind of just gave them a little bit of shape, but I didn't really cut no baby hairs and like pull out the baby hairs, but I just did this, and I feel like that looks actually really cute and natural. And I did do a little sideburn right here where I cut it and then just laid it down, and I just feel like that's such a cute little touch to this look. But yeah, y'all, this is how the hair has turned out, and baby, I am fried. It's 1:30 in the morning, so I had to wait for this hair to dry. It didn't take too long to dry though. But yeah, so this is the hair. It's still drying a little bit, but I mean, it's 1:30 in the morning. It's about 90% dry right now, so y'all are getting a look for what the hair is going to look like once it's dried, because I can't stay up another hour. But this is the looks of the hair, y'all. Super duper cute. Love it. And yeah, so the links to shop this unit will be down below on my Amazon storefront, so definitely check out this Water Wave unit, 13x4 glueless from Nadula in 24 inches, y'all. And thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure to like, comment any questions, comments, concerns, anything you want to say down below, and I will answer y'all. And make sure you subscribe for more content just like this, and more content, and more for our wigs. So yeah, I love y'all so much. Bye.